At Uponor, innovation is at the heart of all we do. Our vision of moving water more efficiently and sustainably has sparked the creation of industry-leading technology for more than 100 years. Every building is an opportunity to create more efficient solutions that can propel us to our decarbonization and emissions goals. That's why we're proud to be the first in North America to install the Uponor AquaPort system for domestic hot water generation in our most important center of innovation. The Uponor AquaPort creates on-demand domestic hot water by converting a building's hydronic heating supply using a double-wall heat exchanger. This eliminates the need for a centralized domestic hot water system, reducing the amount of piping installed in a building, which provides water and energy savings. With a prefabricated design, the Uponor AquaPort is easy to install, helping projects stay on schedule and on budget. And by eliminating the need for centralized domestic hot water, it removes up to 50% of the water volume from a building. This means less piping with more water turnover, which results in better system hygiene and less water waste. It also reduces hot water energy use by up to 35%. This is accomplished by eliminating standby losses and enabling boiler systems to reach their maximum rated efficiency. Plus, the easy-to-access system and customizable temperature settings allow the Uponor AquaPort to maximize comfort while minimizing maintenance concerns. With all its innovative features, it's easy to see why the Uponor AquaPort is an industry leader in decarbonization, efficiency, and control of domestic hot water systems. At Uponor, our products reflect our mission to move efficiency, comfort, and water into tomorrow.